Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang dan selamat berjumpa kembali di channel saya, ARYA Maulana. Oke teman-teman, bagaimana kabarnya? Semoga teman-teman semua sukses dan sehat selalu, amin ya robbal alamin. Di video kali ini saya ingin berbagi bagaimana cara mengganti LCD HP Oppo F9. Nah, seperti ini HP-nya. LCD-nya juga memang sudah rusak seperti ini ya. Nah, di sini saya sudah ada LCD yang baru. Oke, langsung saja ya. Bagi teman-teman yang ingin mengganti LCD HP-nya sendiri ketika rusak, langsung saja simak video ini.
I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Oh, ternyata ini sudah pernah dibuka ya. Entah ini pernah diservis atau memang sudah pernah diganti LCD sebelumnya, saya tidak tahu. Kemudian langsung saja kita buka bautnya seperti ini. Oh, ternyata HP ini memang sudah pernah dibongkar, guys. Seperti ini penampakannya. Tapi LCD-nya masih ori kayaknya ini. Oke, seperti ini. Ternyata memang HP-nya memang sudah pernah dibongkar ya teman-teman. Bisa dilihat, ini sudah ada lem-leman. Tapi sepertinya dibongkar juga bukan bagian mesin ataupun bagian LCD. Ini perekat baterainya masih belum terbuka. Oh, kayaknya dibongkar cuma buat ngelem ini tadi itu, guys. Nah, ya, oke, nggak apa-apa. Oke teman-teman, jika sudah seperti ini, Untuk teman-teman yang belum pernah atau yang ingin belajar memasang LCD sendiri, jika sudah seperti ini, jangan langsung LCD yang baru ini dilepas segelnya atau langsung dipasang ke frame HP. Sebaiknya kita coba terlebih dahulu LCD yang baru ini berfungsi normal atau tidak. Biasanya kualitas LCD sekarang itu di toko-toko spare part ada yang bagus, ada yang kurang bagus, seperti itu. Jadi sebaiknya ketika kita membeli LCD yang baru, semua LCD, semua spare part kan ada segelnya, jadi jangan dilepas terlebih dahulu atau jangan langsung dipasang, dilem di frame yang aslinya. Kita coba terlebih dahulu seperti ini. Biasanya saya lepas semua soketnya terlebih dahulu. Nah, seperti ini. Nah, ini soket LCD. Kita buka. Kita pasangkan kembali semua. Baterainya juga. Kita seperti ini. Tidak apa-apa ya. Nah, kita pasangkan soket LCD seperti ini. Lalu kita tekan power. Oke, agak susah. Oke, hidup teman-teman. Saya coba matikan dulu lampunya. Nah, seperti ini. Sebelum kita lem, kita pasang ke frame-nya, kita coba terlebih dahulu ya.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give it them, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts.
Nah, seperti ini ya teman-teman. Dites dulu seperti ini, berfungsi semua atau tidak. Oke, sepertinya berfungsi. Langsung saja kita matikan lagi.
Will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
LCD-nya masih ore teman-teman, belum pernah diganti.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going.
Nah, seperti biasa kita ambil kembali saringan yang di atas kamera.
Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back.
Saringan ini ya.
I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I'm on, yeah, let's do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah.
She got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Oke teman-teman, sambil menunggu lemnya agak sedikit kering, jangan lupa kita lepaskan segel yang berada di LCD agar saat pemasangan tidak ada yang mengganjal ya, langsung presisi.
I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends. 'Cause all the guys want
Langsung
you
saja kita
tonight.
pasang.
Yeah. They say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of
Kita
control.
presisikan pinggir-pinggirnya secara perlahan.
From the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions.
She got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I want that body, baby, show me. Yeah, I take a cold hard look at the world now.
Oke,
On my
normal
hand
ya.
now, got a plan now. I'ma help you
Mantap,
to
kita
change 'cause
coba
I
lagi.
can now. Here I stand now, take my hand now. No pain, no gain, no shame. Work hard, play hard. Okay, I think I get it now. Don't wanna let them down. I'ma take the ground and speak my mind out loud. Here I go, proud of my notes. Teach them what I wrote, teach them all the hope. Keep them on the road to the dream. All I need is a team. Build your own self-esteem. You can do anything, prove everything. Say what you mean and believe in your dream. Find that thing that you love, that you really wanna be, and don't give up till you've given that.
Oke teman-teman, mohon maaf tadi kepotong videonya. Ternyata HP yang saya gunakan untuk merekam video ini baterainya lowbat, jadi tidak bisa merekam. Terpaksa saya melanjutkan pengerjaan pemasangan LCD HP ini tanpa merekam video. Dan ini saya rekam kembali, ternyata sudah selesai pengerjaan pemasangannya dan sudah dipasang perekat seperti ini. Di sini saya menggunakan perekat isolasi bening ukuran 1 in. Jika teman-teman menggunakan alternatif perekat yang lainnya seperti karet, itu boleh-boleh saja ya. Bagaimana kenyamanan teman-teman semua? Kalau saya pribadi menggunakan isolasi seperti ini, dan alhamdulillah tidak pernah gagal atau menemukan LCD cacat atau kurang bagus menggunakan perangkat isolasi bening ini. Dan ini saya coba kembali. Kebetulan saya tidak tahu polanya, pinnya berapa, jadi saya tes menggunakan panggilan darurat saja, berfungsi atau tidak LCD-nya. Ini saya tes, coba 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, berfungsi semua, bisa dilihat. Saya ulangi. Oke, berfungsi semua ya. Coba saya jajal kamera. Oke, berfungsi. Oke, seperti itu aja videonya. Terima kasih sudah menyimak video saya dari awal sampai akhir. Sampai jumpa di video saya berikutnya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.